Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to locate the fuse for the front left headlight, the low beam headlight. If it doesn't work, it could be two things: bad fuse or a fuse. Bad fuse or a bulb actually. Before you check the bulb, I always check the fuse because it's easier that way. Sometimes for the bulb you have to remove the headlight to mess with it. So let me show you now, okay, what we need to do. So what we'll need to do guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it of course, and the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So you need to squish on both sides towards each other. Okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers. Okay, and that's how you remove the lid. Once you remove the lid, you can see on the back side the number of the fuses printed on the lid. And we need to remove fuse 25. 25 is a 15 amp fuse in our case. Okay, so we'll go ahead, okay, remove that fuse. And how you check those? Okay, inside you can see that metal plate going inside the fuse in the middle. If it looks burnt or broken, you need to replace it with a new one. Okay, and just install it. We're going to go ahead, okay, and test it quick to see, okay, if it works now. Okay, no, not yet. We need to have the ignition on. Yep, right there. So you can see, works great. So thank you guys for watching. More than 200 videos coming on this Ford Fiesta. If you need anything, let us know. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.